Hello guys, welcome back on another lesson from Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you're really serious about learning Lingala language, welcome. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and activate the notification so we send you all the alerts whenever we upload a new video. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, type at Lingala Academy. You can also add me on Snapchat by typing at the love gracias. And if you really want to join the Instagram group that I created for you to practice Lingala, send me a message and I'm gonna add you into the group at Lingala Academy on Instagram. If you want to get more personal and intensive Lingala lessons, please contact us via email at lingalaacademy@gmail.com. Again, lingalaacademy@gmail.com. Or you can send us your message on social media on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Lingala Academy. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to conjugate verbs in present continuous tense in Lingala. Last time I made a video on how to conjugate verbs in simple present tense in Lingala. If you want to watch that video, please pause this video and click on the upper right corner of this screen to watch that video. Then you can come back to continue. Okay, let's get started. But before we get deeper into this lesson, I want to encourage you to get used to these basics. Why I want you to know these basics? It's because these are very crucial. They're very important. If you know this, it will be easier for you to conjugate verbs in Lingala. Okay, the first thing I want you to know is there are two ways to form the present continuous tense in Lingala. The first way is the contracted form, and the second one is the long form. But because I want to make this video short, today we're going to focus just on the contracted form. Then tomorrow I will publish the long form. So if you want to watch that, please come back tomorrow to watch the video. But if you turn on your notification, you don't have to worry, because once I publish that lesson, you will be notified by YouTube. Then you can click anytime to watch the video. And if you haven't done it yet, please turn on your notification by clicking on the bell so we can send you all the alert. The second thing I want you to know is in Lingala, the present continuous tense requires two verbs. The first verb is the verb kozala. Kozala in Lingala in English is the verb to be. And you also need to add the infinitive form of any verb that you want to conjugate. Next thing I want you to know, if you're not familiar with this, you need to know the singular and the plural subject pronoun. The singular subject pronoun in Lingala are Na. Na is I. O is you. A is he or she. A is it. The plural ones are to. To is we. Bo. Bo is you. And then ba. Ba is they. The last thing I want you to know is in Lingala, it's very different. The subject pronoun is always combined with the main verb or the conjugate verb. It's not like in other languages where the subject pronoun is separated from the verb. In Lingala, they always join to form like one verb, but it's always conjugated. So in the next slide, you will get used to that. Now let's learn about the rules to form verbs in present continuous tense in Lingala. Note that in Lingala, like I said, the present continuous tense requires two verbs. Always, you need to put the verb to be or kozala followed by the infinitive form of any verb that you want to conjugate. For this example, we're going to use the verb to help or kosunga. Kosunga. First step, you need to drop the ko at the front of the verb kozala. Like I said, the verb to be. Then you need to drop the ko of the form of the infinitive verb, which is kosunga. Then for the verb kozala, you will remain with zala. And for the infinitive verb kosunga, you will remain with sunga. Next, remove the three last letters after the letter Z in zala. You will remain with Z only. Then you need to add the letter O followed by the other part that remained from the verb that was in the infinitive form. Sunga here. Now you have zo because you added O. You will have zo plus sunga. Finally, you need to choose the appropriate subject pronoun. Like I said, na for I, o for you, a, e, to, bo, and ba. Then put this at the front and connected with zo and sunga. For example, if I want to say I'm helping in Lingala, na, like I said, is I. So I will put na followed by zo, which was the remaining part of the verb kozala, to be, plus sunga, which was the remaining part of my infinitive verb. So I will have nazo sunga. Again, nazo sunga, which means I'm helping. Here is an example of the verb kosunga. Kosunga, or to help. in present continuous tense in Lingala. I put this separated so you know we have three parts here, but they're not, or they should not be separated. Na is I, zo is the parts that remain from the verb kozala or to be, and sunga is the imperative form of the verb kosunga, to help. So we will have na plus zo plus sunga, which is na zo sunga. Na zo sunga means I'm helping. Ozo sunga. Ozo sunga. O is you, zo is the verb to be, and sunga is the imperative form of the verb to help. Ozo sunga means you helping. Azo sunga. Azo sunga. A means she or he. Azo sunga means is or she's helping. Ezo sunga. Ezo sunga means it's helping. Tozo sunga. Tozo sunga means we helping. Bozo sunga. Bozo sunga. Bozo sunga means you helping. Second person of plural. Then we have bazosunga. Bazosunga. Bazosunga means they're helping. We have another example, the verb kobina. Kobina. Kobina means to dance. Nazobina. 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 Nazobina means I'm dancing. Ozobina. Ozobina. Ozobina means you dancing. Azobina. Azobina means is or she's dancing. Ezobina. Ezobina means it's dancing. Tozobina. Tozobina means we dancing. Bozobina. Bozobina means you dancing. Second person of plural. Finally, we have bazobina. Bazobina. Bazobina means they're helping. Here's the structure that you need to follow to conjugate the verb in present continuous tense in the contracted form. You need to have the appropriate subject pronoun followed by zo, then followed by the imperative form of the verb that you want to conjugate. Pretty much that's the part that will change, the subject pronoun. That's the only part that will change. The rest will remain the same. Note that to put any verb in the imperative form in Lingala, you just need to remove ko at the beginning of that verb. Examples. For the verb koyemba, koyemba is in the infinitive form. Koyemba means to sing. So, you just need to remove this ko here, K and O. Once you remove this, the part that remains here is the imperative form. So for koyemba, you will remain with yemba. Yemba, which means sing. It's like I'm giving you an order, right? Kotanga, kotanga, infinitive. So you remove ko, you stay with tanga, tanga, tanga. The verb kotanga means to study. Then finally we have the verb kolota, kolota, infinitive form. You need to remove ko, then you stay with the imperative form, which is lota, lota. Kolota means to dream.
Oi, 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 oi.
This is the end of this video. If you like it and you like the work that we're doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friend, family, and anyone you want to learn Lingala with. Also, comment below to show your love and support to keep us motivated to bring you more quality lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we send you all the notifications whenever we upload a new lesson. And make sure you also add us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we also send notifications there and we send some stuff that you guys cannot find here on YouTube. If you want to support us financially to buy new equipment to bring you more quality lessons, you can donate on paypal.com/Lingala Academy, or you can also donate on patreon.com/Lingala Academy. Thank you and see you next time.